Hidden within the ordinary world around you, unseen and deadly forces quietly lurk. Imagine the ingredients of your kitchen potentially stirring up a storm, or the seemingly harmless lawn hosting a symphony of toxic plants. Bizarre, isn't it? But today, we're diving deeper into the strangeness that's our reality. We'll be unraveling the mystery of something far greater and more captivating. Brace yourself, because we're traveling back in time to the birth of our home, planet Earth. Now, you may be picturing a serene, celestial object spinning peacefully in space. However, Earth's beginnings were anything but tranquil. It was a cosmic battlefield, marked by violent collisions, intense heat, and a gravity tug-of-war. This chaotic genius, against all odds, led to a habitable planet teeming with life. And that's the fantastic story we're exploring today. Hi, Ed lovers, Jay here, and welcome to EdPOP, your go-to channel for the best science facts and curiosities you can't find anywhere else. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Ready? Let's dive right in. Did you know that Earth formed from a cosmic dust cloud? Have you ever wondered about the cosmic origins of our planet? Let's delve into it. Picture an ancient universe, swirling with clouds of cosmic dust and gas. It's from this cosmic soup that the seeds of our planet first began to grow. These tiny particles were drawn together by gravity, slowly coalescing into a spinning disk. This process, taking millions of years, eventually culminated in a sphere we now call Earth. Why does this matter to us? Well, this knowledge fundamentally shapes our understanding of planet formation. It allows scientists to make a sense of observations made by telescopes peering into the farthest reaches of our universe. So, when you see a twinkling star, you're not just looking at a beautiful light show, but a potential nursery for new planets. It's almost poetic to think that every mountain, every ocean, and even you and I owe our existence to a cloud of cosmic dust billions of years ago. So the next time you find yourself gazing at a night sky, remember this. Those seemingly insignificant specks of cosmic dust could be the beginning of a new world just like ours. Did you know that Earth was once a molten ball? What if I told you that our solid planet was once a hot, spinning ball of molten rock? Yes, it's true. The Earth began its life as a fiery globe. After the cosmic dust had formed a sphere, the pressure and heat from radioactive decay and ongoing collisions caused this mass to melt, transforming our planet into a seething, molten sphere. The outer surface cooled down first, forming a thin crust. But beneath this crust, the world remained a roiling sea of molten rock for hundreds of millions of years. This early phase of Earth's history played a significant role in shaping the world as we know it today. You might ask, why does this molten history matter? It's important because this fiery beginning set the stage for the formation of Earth's layers, the crust, mantle, and core. Understanding this process provides us insights into the current structure of our planet, its tectonic activity, magnetic field, and much more. So next time you walk on the ground, remember, you're standing on the surface that was once an ocean of molten rock, testament to our planet's fiery past. Did you know that the moon formed from a massive impact with Earth? Could you believe that our peaceful night companion, the moon, was born out of a cataclysmic event? Well, hold on to your seats, because it's time to unveil the story behind the formation of our moon, according to the giant impact hypothesis. This theory suggests that about 4.5 billion years ago, a body almost the size of Mars, referred to as Theia, collided with the early Earth in a fiery, glancing blow. This collision was so intense that a substantial amount of material from both Theia and the Earth's outer layers was ejected into space. In the aftermath of this massive impact, the ejected debris began to orbit around the Earth. Over time, these scattered pieces started to coalesce under the influence of gravity, eventually forming our moon. This dramatic birth explains why the moon's composition closely mirrors that of Earth's outer layers. So, why does this matter to us? Besides being a testament to the violent history of our solar system, it's this catastrophic event that gave us a key to decipher the geological history of Earth and helped shape the world as we know it today. The next time you gaze at the moon, remember, it's not just a celestial body, it's a piece of our home. Did you know that Earth's water may have arrived via comets? Have you ever considered where all the water that covers 70% of our planet's surface came from? As you sip your glass of water or walk in the rain, you might be surprised to learn that this vital resource, the lifeblood of our planet, may have traveled millions of miles from outer space, delivered by comets. Comets, essentially frozen balls of gas, dust, rock, and importantly, water ice, have been soaring through our solar system for billions of years. Some scientists suggest that during Earth's early life, it was under a heavy bombardment from these icy celestial bodies. The theory proposes that as these comets collided with Earth, they melted and released their stored water, contributing significantly to our oceans. Why does this matter to you? Hey, wait! Now's the time. Subscribe to the channel to be entertained while learning. It's free! Because if this hypothesis is true, it completely changes the way we perceive our universe. The possibility that life-sustaining water can travel through space on comets opens up new avenues in our search for extraterrestrial life. It hints that somewhere out there, on a distant exoplanet, life might be flourishing, all thanks to comets, the cosmic water bearers. The universe is indeed a place of wonders, isn't it? Did you know that our atmosphere developed in stages? Isn't it fascinating to know that the life-sustaining atmosphere we breathe didn't always exist as it is now? Yes, our atmosphere, like a story with multiple acts, has developed over billions of years, each stage setting the scene for the next. Picture the Earth in its infancy. The first atmosphere was composed mainly of helium and hydrogen, remnants from the solar nebula. But as the Earth cooled, these light gases escaped into space, and volcanoes belching out steam, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen gases replaced them, creating the second atmosphere. A significant game-changer arrived when early life forms began photosynthesizing. They consumed carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Over time, the oxygen built up and created our third and current atmosphere, teeming with a life-sustaining 21% oxygen. So, why does this matter to you? Because by understanding the story of our atmosphere, we can grasp why our planet's climate is changing and what that means for us. We learn that nothing on our planet is static. Everything is part of a delicate balance, a continuous evolution. In essence, by understanding our past, we gain tools to protect our future. Did you know that plate tectonics have shaped Earth's continents? Ever wondered how our unique continents came to be in the shapes and locations we know today? Our world's geography, as it turns out, owes much to the incredibly slow but unceasing movements of Earth's tectonic plates. The Earth's crust isn't one solid piece, it's a jigsaw puzzle of large slabs known as tectonic plates. These pieces float on the semi-fluid layer of the Earth's mantle beneath them. The heat from the core causes the mantle to convect, and this convection drives the plate's movement. Over hundreds of millions of years, these plates drift apart, collide, or scrape past each other. Where they pull apart, oceans can form. Where they collide, mountains rise. You've heard of the Himalayas, right? They're still growing because the Indian plate is still crashing into the Eurasian plate. And here's why this matters to you. Plate tectonics directly impact our lives by causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Understanding them allows us to better predict these events and build safer, more resilient communities. So next time you look at a map, remember, the continents are always on the move, reshaping our world millimeter by millimeter. Did you know that life began in the ocean? Isn't it thrilling to imagine that life as we know it began in the depths of our oceans? The oceans aren't just vast bodies of water, they're cradles of life, where the story of every living thing started billions of years ago. Many scientists believe that life on Earth began in the oceans, around hydrothermal vents or warm little ponds. There, the right cocktail of elements and energy might have sparked the first biological reactions, leading to the first simple organisms. These primitive life forms were nothing like the plants and animals we see today. Instead, they were tiny, simple cells. But it's from this humble beginning that all life evolved. The leap from non-living matter to the first living cell is a major focus of study in the field of abiogenesis. The details are still being worked out, but there's a consensus that life began in water due to the medium's ability to facilitate the necessary biochemical reactions. So, why does this matter in our daily lives? It gives us a framework for searching for life on other planets. By understanding how life began here, we know better what to look for out there in the universe. Life started in our oceans, but who knows where else it might have taken root? And there you have it, folks. Earth, our home, has a story filled with cataclysmic events, intricate processes, and awe-inspiring transformations. From a hot molten ball to a structured planet with defined continents, our planet's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a story full of wonder and complexity, so delve deeper, learn more, and keep exploring the incredible world around you. The story of our Earth serves as a reminder of our roots and a testament to the power of natural processes. Earth's story continues to unfold, and we're part of it. Let's keep discovering. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our upcoming content. So, until the next video, keep looking, keep filming, and keep exploring this incredible world we're all a part of.